Are you ready to unlock a skill that can change your life? Imagine this. You're looking at a report, an overwhelming spreadsheet that looks like a mountain of numbers. Your mind starts racing, your heart skips a beat, and suddenly you wonder, can I actually make sense of this? Well, let me tell you, this is exactly the kind of moment where Excel steps in. Not just as a tool, but as the key to unlocking financial freedom, career growth, and a wealthier lifestyle. Sounds exciting, right? Stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and I'll show you how this seemingly simple program can transform your future. The history and evolution of Microsoft Excel. Let's take a moment and rewind to the beginning. Microsoft Excel wasn't born overnight. In fact, it began its journey in 1982 as a tool designed for early personal computers. Its name? Multiplan. But Excel, as we know it today, didn't arrive until 1985. At first, it was used primarily for simple calculations and basic data storage. Over time, with the rise of Microsoft Office in the 1990s, Excel evolved into something far more powerful, something essential. With each update, Excel introduced new features: the addition of charts, the infamous pivot tables, and powerful functions like VLOOKUP and SUMIF. By the 2000s, it became the tool for business professionals, accountants, marketers, and even students. Imagine in 1997, Excel had just 256 columns. Today, it can handle over 16,000. That's a huge leap. But wait, do you know which Excel feature had the most life-changing impact for millions of people? We'll talk about that in just a minute. Let's talk about why Excel matters today. If you're serious about building wealth, mastering Excel is no longer just an option. It's a necessity. Think about it. In today's digital world, Excel isn't just for number crunching. It's used in everything from financial forecasting and data analysis to project management and even personal budgeting. Visuals of Excel being used in different fields: business, education, personal finance. Whether you're creating a budget to save for your dream house, analyzing sales data for your business, or managing expenses as a freelancer, Excel is there, simplifying, organizing, and ultimately empowering you to make informed decisions. Now let's talk about the Excel feature that has life-changing effect on people's life. Here is the most valuable assets that Excel has, is known as VLOOKUP, is a function that searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a corresponding value from a specified column in the same row. An importance: VLOOKUP simplifies data retrieval in structured tables, ideal for quick, straightforward lookups when the lookup column is on the left, and widely used for basic data analysis and reporting. Along with VLOOKUP, there is index plus match function, a combination of two functions. Index returns a value from a specific row and column in a range, and match finds the position of a lookup value within a range. Importance of index and match is offers greater flexibility than VLOOKUP. Can search in any direction, left, right, up, down. Handles dynamic column references and complex lookup scenarios, and more efficient for large data sets and advanced data analysis. Comparative importance of both VLOOKUP best for simple, quick lookups when data is well-structured, and index plus match, essential for advanced users who need flexibility, dynamic lookups, and better performance in complex scenarios. In summary, VLOOKUP is beginner-friendly for basic tasks. Now you might be thinking, I can barely figure out how to sum a column. Don't worry, we've all been there. And I promise, once you start mastering Excel, those confusing cells will turn into your biggest asset. But here's the kicker: Excel isn't just a tool, it's a shortcut to freedom. Imagine just for a second the future where you're an Excel expert. You're making data-driven decisions that elevate your career or business. Your financial goals? They're no longer dreams. They're actionable plans, and Excel is your roadmap. Visuals of success: person at a computer making a sale, checking their savings growing, helping a client with a data-driven decision. Excel isn't just about learning formulas. It's about mastering the tools that help you control your financial destiny. Whether you want to manage investments, create a passive income stream, or streamline business operations, Excel can help make it happen. But here's the thing: How exactly can you become an Excel expert that stands out in a competitive world? Well, that's the next step, and it's coming up in just a few moments. So here's where we're at. Excel has been around for decades. It's a non-negotiable tool for success, and it's a skill that's only growing in demand. Becoming an expert isn't just about mastering functions and formulas. It's about unlocking opportunities and creating a future where you can live life on your own terms. The positive future of Excel experts is bright. There's no question about that. If you're ready to take that next step and turn your Excel skills into a powerhouse, hit that subscribe button because the journey to financial freedom and success through Excel starts right here, right now. Join me in this exciting adventure. Excel is waiting to transform your future. That's all for today from Excel Fun YouTube channel. Always remember, breakthrough via education. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Subscribing really helps support this channel and keeps us motivated to bring you more awesome content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to let us know. Also, drop a comment below and let us know what Excel topics you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who want to boost career with Excel. Sharing is caring, and it helps spread the knowledge to more people who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and remember, at Excel Fun, we're here to make Excel fun and easy for you. See you in the next video.